So, hi guys, in this video we will discuss about the topic carbocation. Now, what is carbocation? Carbocation is an intermediate with a positive carbon having a sextet of electrons. Now, this is a carbon atom and there are three different atoms, and this carbon is in sp2 hybridized state and there are vacant 2p orbital, and the bond angle of this near about 120 degree. Now there is 2 electrons short of a state and it is a Lewis acid and electrophile. Carbocation has a trigonal planar structure as the carbon atom of carbocation is also sp2 in hybridized. A carbocation can act as a electrophilic reagent, and if a carbocation with three different atoms or group of atoms is attacked by a nucleophile, it leads to the formation of racemic mixture. Now this is a carbocation and there are three different atoms or groups is attacked by a nucleophile and there it leads to formation a racemic mixture. Now the generation of carbocation. The generation of carbocation is mainly due to heterolysis in a polar protic solvent. Rx, R alkyl group, X is halide, or Rl, L is some living groups, is attacked by or attacked in the medium with polar aprotic solvent, acetone, H2O, form R plus carbocation and H minus. It is a weak base and good living group. If the base is weak, that is, it is a good living group. Lg means living group, and if Rl means living group, is L equals to OH or NH2. They are poor living group and strong bases. Now, we can convert the weak living group into a good one by acidifying them. Now, ROH plus H3O plus. They are the lone pair in ROH. This lone pair is attacked to H, formation this, and form carbocation. And H2O is a good living group. Now RNH2 also attacked, acidifying them and form a good living group, ammonium or NH3. We use a Lewis acid also. ROH, poor living group, and zinc chloride or aluminium chloride, Lewis acid, and form good living group. Zn OHCl2 minus is a good living group. Now, sometimes OH is converted to sulfonic ester. Now ROH plus tosyl chloride, sulfonic ester, forms ROTS, tosyl, and this OTS minus is a good living group. Now, if RO sulfonic, this compound, the G, if the G is bromine, then OBS brosylate, and if the G is CF3, that is triflate. Now, by the attack of electrophile to a C double bond C bond. Now there is a C double bond C is attacked by a electrophile from carbocation, attacked. This is a Lewis acid and form a carbocation, and this is a benzononium carbocation formation. Now the step is termination step. And in the termination step, if the direct combination occurs with the nucleophile, then forms a direct combination attached of a base to beta hydrogen, and that is the beta hydrogen is attacked by a base and end of the reaction. Loss of a proton. If a carbocation is stabilized by plus M group having H atoms, then carbocation is terminated by loss of proton. Carbocation is attacked by a plus M group and form a ketone, and this plus M group form an imine. It is form an imine group. Now the stability of the carbocation. Now the carbocation is stabilized, but the stability of the carbocation is achieved or influenced by 4 factors. कितना? 4 factors. The stability of carbocation is achieved by mainly 4 factors. What are they? They are hyperconjugation, inductive effect, resonance effect, and hybridization. Hyperconjugation, inductive effect, resonance effect, and hybridization. In the stability part, in alkyl group is stabilized mainly via hyperconjugation and plus I effect, and this is in decreasing manner. 3 degree, 2 degree, primary methyl. Now, in allyl and benzyl carbocation, in the case of allyl and benzyl carbocation, they are stabilized by resonating factor. They are stabilized by resonance. Now, in case of allyl, this is 3 degree allyl, this is 2 degree, this is 1 degree. 3 degree is stabilized via resonance and 6 alpha hydrogen, and 2 degree is stabilized via resonance and 3 hyperconjugation or alpha hydrogen, and 1 degree is stabilized only via resonance. Mind it. In case of benzyl, this is benzyl carbocation is stabilized via resonance. Now, there are some notable points also. Presence of plus M and plus I group, especially at O and P. O and P means ortho and para position, stabilizes the benzyl carbocation. Presence of minus M and minus I group, especially at orthopara, destabilizes the benzyl carbocation. Now, this is OH group in para position. This is NO2 group in para position. NO2 group is minus M and minus I both property. And according to our point, presence of plus M or plus I, that is OH group at ortho or para position, stabilizes this carbocation, and presence of minus M minus I at ortho and para position destabilizes. So this carbocation is more stable than this. Now, in case of benzenonium carbocation, they are also stabilized via resonance. This is a benzenonium carbocation, and this is stabilized via resonance. 5 carbon delocalization occurs there. Now, the benzenonium cations are stabilized via plus M or plus I or hyperconjugation. This electrophile is attacked this bond, ortho attack. In case of meta attack, this happens, and in case of para, something. Now, look at. In benzenonium cations are stabilized via plus N or plus I or hyperconjugation. Now, if G is a functional group, if it is plus M or plus I group, then A and F are most stable. Zooming it. If G is plus M or plus I, then A and F are most stable. This is A and this is F. If G is plus M or plus I, then A and F are most stable. That is, they are orthopara director. And if G is minus M or minus I, naturally A and F are unstable. These are meta director and B comparatively stable product. So if G is minus M or minus I group, then B comparatively stable product. Usually, alkyl group provide plus I stabilization to benzenonium cation. However, an alkyl group with benzylic hydrogen provides hyperstabilization. Now, if G is methyl CH2CH3 CH3 whole 2 CH3 whole 3. Now, in case of that, in methyl there is benzylic carbocation if they are formed. In case of methyl there are 3 alpha hydrogen. In case of CH2CH3 there are 2 alpha hydrogen. In case of this there are 1 alpha hydrogen, and in case of this third butyl group there is only plus I effect, no alpha hydrogen. So stability of benzenonium cation decreasing in this manner, reactivity of alkyl benzene decreasing towards ACAR reaction type. Now look at, guys, how hybridization of carbon affects the carbocation. Hybridization of carbon in carbocation. This is sp3 hybridized, this is sp2, and this is sp hybridized. The S character is increasing in this manner, electronegativity of carbon increasing and stability decreasing. Now, aromatic carbocation are very stable. This is propylium carbocation, very stable. Then this. Now, zoom it. This is a special case. In this type of carbocation, positive charge fully delocalized over all the ring, and all are coplanar, extremely stable carbocation, and this is propeller shaped carbocation. The benzene ring are not on the same plane, and resonance occurs separately. This is extremely stable carbocation. And in case of bridgehead carbocation, they are very unstable. This is a type of bridgehead, and this is another type of bridgehead carbocation. They are very unstable. Cyclopropyl methyl cation. Now guys, this is also a special case. In case of cyclopropyl methyl cation, this is cyclopropyl methyl cation, and in case of this, sort of pi overlap occurs. As the ring is stained, the sigma orbitals are bent and they start overlapping sideways, and they are the very stable product. Actually, in this case, there occurs a special type of resonance that is called dancing resonance. And now, what is dancing resonance and what are the specialties and peculiarities of this type of resonance? We will discuss in a video later. That is dancing resonance. But I think not dancing resonance is a subsequent topic of NEET syllabus. So this is the only information. Cyclopropyl methyl, in case of cyclopropyl methyl cation, there occurs dancing resonance. It's very stable. Now, what are the carbocation stability order? This is highly stable, then propylium, then this, then cyclopropyl methyl carbocation 3 degree, then 2 degree occurs, then 1 degree, then benzylic carbocation, then acylium, notable point, then 3 degree alkyl. This is highly notable point. In our recent research, according to the carbocation stability, 3 degree alkyl carbocation is more stabilized than benzyl or benzyl carbocation 1 degree. If there is present one phenyl group or benzyl group, then it is unstable relatively than 3 degree alkyl group. Then allyl, then 2 degree, 1 degree methyl, then this, then phenyl, then this, and at last we have got bridgehead. They are very poor or very rarely stable product and extremely unstable carbocation form. Now, a carbocation undergoes rearrangement to achieve the greater stability. Carbocation undergoes rearrangement to achieve greater stability. In the case of various type of intermediate, the carbocation undergoes rearrangement quickly to achieve greater stability by hydride shifting occurs. Now, at first, this double bond attacks H plus from a carbocation 2 degree alkyl 4 alpha hydrogen. This is stable, but if hydride shift occurs, then it forms more stable carbocation. Then 1, 2 hydride shift and forms benzylic carbocation. 5 alpha hydrogen plus resonance plus 3 degree, more stable. Then methyl shifting, and in case of methyl shift, there is also stabilized product we get. Now, it is a extremely important but in point of view, ring expansion is not a extremely important topic in our NEET syllabus, but it is extremely important if you want to know the organic chemistry in very deep in knowledge. Then it is important. But in the point of view of our NEET syllabus, that is not so much important. Now, in the case of ring expansion occurs, the ring expansion happens, and this is 1, this 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This ring expand from this product, and this is the ultimate carbocation form. Now, look at guys, some important rearrangement. What is that? Is reverse rearrangement. In case of reverse rearrangement of even tertiary to secondary or primary carbocation can take place in special circumstances. For example, this is a molecule is attacked by dilute H2SO4 or H+, and there forms a carbocation, that is 3-degree carbocation, stable, but it occurs 1,2 hydride shift and form 2-degree carbocation. Now guys, according to our previous discussion, 3-degree carbocation is far more stable than 2-degree. So why this reverse rearrangement occurs? It occurs to get more stabilized, because more stabilization because of completion of octet of very atom other than hydrogen. Here, the rearrangement is facilitated because the 2-degree carbocation produced is stabilized by the lone pair delocalization, as the carbon bearing positive charge is attached to an atom having lone pair, due to which the octet of every atom gets complete except the hydrogen, which is have a dupress state. Now, considering the case in which the carbocation rearrangement involves change in carbon length, for example, there is a form of carbocation and there is a methyl shifting, 1 to methyl shifting, then form a product. It must be borne in mind that rearrangement does not necessarily always involve change in carbon length. Sometimes no rearrangement takes place, as the initially generated carbocation is having greater stability than the one obtained after rearrangement. Now thinking about that, in case of this, there occurs a rearrangement and 1 to methyl shifting forms a 3-degree carbocation. But in case of this, they are from a 3-degree carbocation, and in case of benzidonium, there is a benzyl carbocation, and this is product. But actually, this could be happen in both of the case, and the product affability or the relative product affability is near about same, because this is 3-degree carbocation and this is benzylic carbocation. Now benzylic 3-degree carbocation is far more stabilized than benzylic carbocation. And now in case of this, there is only benzylic carbocation and there is a 3-degree carbocation. According to our recent research, now we can conclude that the benzylic carbocation is less stabilized than 3-degree. But guys, if they are in the reaction medium, the possibility of 3-degree alkyl and benzylic both, then the product affability or the obtaining product affability is near about same. Both can be possible. Okay. Now, in this question, look at which of the following carbocation is least stable. Least stable, mind it. In our question, there is which of the following carbocation is least stable, not most stable. So which of the following carbocation is least stable? This is benzylic carbocation, this is allylic, both are stabilized via resonance, and this is 2 degree. And this carbocation is stabilized via inductive effect. And in this carbocation, positive charge is on sp hybridized carbon. So this is less stable according to hybridization. This carbocation is least stable. So it is answer. Now, in this question, there is a molecule. In this medium, there is acid medium, H plus. With the reaction of this H plus, they are from a product. But we did not know. In this question, we do not know about what is the product is formed. My question is, this is a ring expansion case, and after ring expansion, in which carbon the H atom goes, in which carbon the carbocation forms. This is your home task, and please solve it. This is your homework, and leave a comment. Thank you, friends.